I'm the artist Halie French. Happy Fluid Art Friday. Today's acrylic pour is called Pink Galaxy. It's one in a series of 4 paintings. And if you enjoy my artwork, please visit my website, haliefrenchartwork.com. And if you're interested in the video playing behind me, that one is called 2 Flip Cups. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Hello again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. Check out my next video with that button. Don't forget to like and share. And I hope you have a great day and stay safe. Thank you.